I'm wishing that we do not put political order in what is not a political exercise. Obviously not a political exercise. The President was here to inspect a project that he and we all think can help improve the lives of the Philippines, especially here in Davao City. Makakatulong ang bridge, ang Bungana Bridge na yan. Kung sino man ang may responsibilidad, maraming salamat. Sige, ako na magsasabi. Maraming salamat kung sino man. Alam naman ninyo ang history ng bridge na yan. Hindi mo na kailangan tanongin. Joel, alam na ninyo ang history sa nanggaling. But the President was here again, not for anything else, but to inspect a project that is good for the kung may mga alis na yung term mo kanina, may mga nagbabash. The President has repeatedly said he will not be affected by political noise. Ang Presidente natin gumagawa lang ng kanyang trabaho, umiikot. Hindi ko maintindihan saan ang galing yung credit grabbing. Wala naman siyang sinabi ba niya na akin to. Wala naman niya lang ganun. Diba? Yung pinasalamatan niya yung mga gumawa ng bridge, kinongratulate niya yung mga contractors dahil mabilis ginawa. Sa tamang mabilis ginawa yung bridge. 2 taon na. It started November 2023. Ngayon ay December 2025. Magagamit na. Magbubuksan na ngayong December 15. Yun ang pangako ng head engineer kapo. Yun yung pinagpangako na by December 15, magagamit na.
Magkaroon ba ng inauguration po December 15, sir?
Hindi ko alam kung ano ang schedule for inauguration. Wala pa akong announcements.
May iba po bang national projects na nandito sa Davao